Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Katleya Bonifacio, based in UAE, an ex-flight attendant turned Darna ng tahanan. So guys, are you all ready for the weekend? Because if you do, I will be sharing to you how I make pizza dough from scratch. It is very easy with just few ingredients. We just need a little time, but I guarantee you guys, it's totally worth it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So here are the ingredients. 2.5 cups of warm water. 6 cups of all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup of olive oil. 3 teaspoons of instant yeast. 1/4 cup of white sugar. And lastly, 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt.
to talk about this pizza made mommy bake.
Are you ready, guys, to eat?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. This is the pizza that mommy baked, and it's yummy than the ones outside.
Really?
Yeah. The cheese looks good, and also this one. It's yummy.
Wow. How about you, Coco? You like it?
You like it? Yeah. He's having fun eating it.
What can you say about it?
It's yummy. Yeah, very yummy. Yeah, and it's also cheesy in front of as well. Yeah.
Wow, that's a big bite. Is that your favorite?
Yeah. Pizza's my favorite too.
All right. Happy eating. Enjoy.
Bye. Thank you.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
Hello everybody! I hope you've learned something new today. I am really happy because my kids loved it and they almost finished the whole pizza. So I hope, guys, you will give it a try, and please, if you have any questions, suggestions, just comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you'll be notified for my upcoming video. So before I end this, I would like to let you all know that we are all amazing and we are all beautiful in our own ways. God bless you all. Bye!